Check out my Society 6 shop at society6.com/keepitcrafty, or for these specific products, you can find links in the description below. In order to do this project, you'll need a silicone mold, specifically one for making earrings. I got this one on Amazon and it was really inexpensive. Fill it with hot glue and make sure you get the glue into every tiny little corner. Push it into the corner with the tip of the glue gun if you need to. Quickly put an earring post in the center of the mold and push it down a little bit, and then cover it with a thin layer of hot glue. Sometimes it helps to use the tip of the hot glue gun to smooth the top layer. Then repeat this process for the second earring. After a couple of minutes, you can pop them out of the mold. If there's any hot glue that's spilled out over the edges of the mold, just trim it off with some pointy scissors. This turned out pretty good, except there's one little air bubble, and I'm just going to fill it in with some fresh hot glue. And once it dries, I'll trim it up just a little bit to make sure it still looks like a star. Next, I'm going to cover the front and the sides of the earrings with Mod Podge. Then I'll dip it in some loose glitter. After they dry, you'll want to cover both earrings with a top layer of Mod Podge. This will keep the glitter from getting everywhere.